Yes, there is camping in Hawaii, but unfortunately it's rentals and they are fairly expensive. So most people try to get a van and then they sleep in that. One of the nice things about camping in Hawaii is they have no mosquitoes and no snakes. So it makes it a lot more enjoyable. One other thing is they allow boondocking along the side of the road, wherever you can get your car pulled off, and there is not a sign that says you're not allowed to park. The places that tourists visit, they chained that up at night, and so you cannot stay there. But you can camp if there's a wide enough spot anywhere. You can camp there. And if you have any questions, there's locals around all the time, and so you can talk to them about it. Some camping spots are better than others, and most people there know the good spots, like this one. This one's a good spot, and they will tell you, where to go to camp. That makes your life enjoyable. But please beware, if it rains and it's red dirt, you're going to get stuck. Then they have beach camping. This particular one is a state park, but beach camping, they have it all over the place. And again, please just make sure you watch for the signs that say there's no camping. This particular road we traveled almost every day, and every day there were people camping there, either in their vehicles or in a tent. And it's a beautiful spot. In some areas they have water, they have portalettes, and they have dumpsters. And every time we came past, there were people there camping and also swimming and fishing. And Hawaiians, they love Mother Nature too. Even at nighttime, you see them lined up camping.